Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to optimize your email deliverability with MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, you can start with a free trial using the link in the description. If you're already a user, just log in and follow along with us. Maximizing email deliverability with MailerLite or any email marketing service requires a combination of technical setup, content best practices, and ongoing list management. First of all, ensure you have an SPF record in your DNS settings to authorize MailerLite to send emails on your behalf. Set up DKIM to add a digital signature to your emails, helping verify that they are from you and haven't been tampered with. Maintain a clean email list. Optimize your email content build and maintain a positive sender reputation. We hope this video helps you maximize your MailerLite email deliverability, and M offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for following along and watching our videos.